Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Miss Engineer. I am Astha Singh. I'm a first year undergraduate student of DTU. I have decided that I'll be uploading one video every week in which I'll be inviting a person who has achieved something in their life, and I think it would be really fun and motivating for you people. So yeah, let's start with today's video. Hello everyone. So today I have Miss Anushri Mahur with me. She's an intern in Amazon. She's my senior. She's in third year of software engineering in D. So
Hi,
I welcome you, Dee. How are you?
I'm doing well. I hope you are too.
Yes, yes. And दीदी आजकल आप लॉकडाउन में क्या कर रहे हो?
Other than my internship, I occasionally cook fancy dishes, and I do love to paint. So sometimes I do paint. This started in lockdown again. I used to paint in 10th, then I left it, and then now I started again, like small paintings. And other than that, Netflix. I think I've almost covered everything.
अरे बढ़िया. Also दीदी, like आप कॉलेज को मिस कर रहे हो?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा, like my precious 1.5 years are gone, and I am just worried that कि मेरी farewell, I hope offline हो, it does not get extended anymore.
सेम कॉलेज तो मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा मिस कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट ईयर एंड कॉलेज ही नहीं गई और खत्म हो गया अब तो. नाउ लाइक सेकेंड ईयर तो ऑलमोस्ट स्टार्ट ही होने वाला है. तो
I feel very sorry for you first years, because the first year is the crux of the college life. So basically you are tension free, you do not have any responsibilities, you are, or अभी JEE देकर आए हैं and free, and you want to have fun, enjoy with your friends, make new friends. So I feel sad for you guys that you guys didn't get to do all these things, but I hope you guys get to enjoy the like next 3 years. I do hope that.
आई होप. सो दीदी बेसिकली आप थोड़ा सा बताओ कि लाइक नेम ऑफ योर इंटर्नशिप एंड लाइक व्हाट पोजीशन यू हैव देयर.
Okay. So I'm currently working as a software development engineer, SDE intern in Amazon Gurgaon, and my team is Core Trans Technology, and the mode of my internship is obviously virtual.
एंड दीदी इन लाइक विच फील्ड यू आर वर्किंग?
Software engineering, so I'm a development engineer.
ओके.
And the language that I use right now is Java for my internship.
तो दीदी अब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं कि लाइक हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस इंटर्नशिप?
So, okay, I'll walk you through my experience. So basically, I got this internship through Amaze Wow, okay? So which is a development initiative by Amazon India. So it is for girls in second and third year, and it is for internship and FTE, that is full-time employment role. So I got to know about Amaze Wow through a message on our TNC group in April 2020. And after registering, there was a series of learning webinars by Amazon on data structures, how to write clean code, etc. for those who were shortlisted initially. So after this, we had our online assessment, which was at end of May. So this online test covered data structures, algorithms, problem solving, OOPS. It had networking and OS. So the time for the test was 2 hours 30 minutes, and it included code debugging questions, 2 coding questions. One was on linked list, and the other one was on vector, computer adaptive test, and logical reasoning. So I was kind of lucky as I didn't have my entrance then, so I was free to prepare for my test. So I mostly completed DSA during this 1 month. So after the test was over and everything, I got a mail for my interview, which was on 12th June 2020, and I had only one interview which lasted for 1.5 hours, and the questions asked in the interview were on DBMS, and there were four coding questions. So one was on linked list, intersection of linked list. The second one was on array, maximum sub-array sum, which is a very common problem which uses Sabin's algorithm. One was on DP, which is again a famous problem on LeetCode, House Robber 1. And the last one was on binary trees. So I had to code all these questions properly and dry run my code. So after 2 months, around August, I received my internship confirmation mail from Amazon.
Congratulations, Didi. It's a chance to be an intern at Amazon. So that's amazing, Didi. And now, एक सबसे important चीज कि दीदी ने ये सारा preparation, she did it all this in 1 month. और ये अब दीदी बताएंगी कि how did she like go about it कि एक महीने में she prepared so well and like she got an internship in Amazon. तो ये सब कैसे हुआ दीदी? तो 1 month preparation आप प्लीज बताइए कि आपने कैसे?
Okay, so my 1 month preparation was fairly simple. Okay, so I had a target to achieve, and that was to get into Amazon. So, so this preparation, included completing my data structures. So, like advanced data structures like maps, graphs, DP, then trees, and dynamic programming cover karna tha, etc. And then I had to practice coding questions daily. Then I did revise subjects like operating systems and DBMS. So basically, I wasn't an active coder. So matlab I didn't used to do competitive coding then. And what I realized with all my experience that it is not a necessity. But competitive coding does help you in coding test rounds for sure. And practicing on platforms like interview bit with a timer does improve your skills and lets you lets your mind function well under pressure. So I did LeetCode and interview bit, then Geek for Geek for every solution that I wanted. I always used to go and read there, and I think that was it.
Okay दीदी, एक like आपने जो internship की थी, this is like particularly for women candidates कि they are preferred. तो दीदी ऐसे और भी like अच्छी giant companies हैं जिनके लिए जिसमें girls and women को prefer किया जाता है, या they are particularly those programs, step programs हैं which are particularly for girls. तो दीदी प्लीज उसके बारे में बताइए कि कौन कौन सी कंपनीज हैं जो ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑफर करती हैं, so जिससे कि गर्ल्स उनको बेनिफिट हो पाए.
So there are, I say fairly a lot of companies that give this opportunity to girls. For girls nowadays, it's fairly, you get good opportunities to bag an internship. So though internships that are only meant for girls. So one is this Amaze Wow by Amazon. Another one is Coders by Microsoft. Google Step internship. There is Adobe Women. There's American Express. I've heard that Flipkart has also initiated for this internship for second-year girls, and Expedia is there, which does women-intensive drive. So there are a good number of companies that are offering women coders an opportunity to work for them.
Also दीदी कि आप हमेशा like CGPA, when it comes to CGPA college वाली, then आप हमेशा you have scored like almost like full CGPA 10 CGPA एक बार तो क्या आई हुई है 9.8, like ये आपका constant रहा है, तो like इतनी high CGPA आप कैसे score करते हो?
So okay, I'll say that my mantra for this is very simple and clear. Okay, is that I when the college was offline, then I used to study 1 month before our NSEM happened. So तब तो clear होता था that 1 month preparation for NSEMs is good enough. So during that time or during any time I have to prepare for an examination, I like to do things in an organized manner. So I used to plan my schedule, like what topics I have to cover today, and I used to study like around 3-4 hours a day. But during that time I used to be very focused. I never like using my phone or getting distracted. I used to be very focused in those 3-4 hours. I used to make most out of them. So and another thing that has helped me is that was making notes. Okay. So even for good coding questions, I used to note them down with proper solutions, and I have learned this like through experience that when you write something down, it resides in your subconscious. So this has helped me a lot, writing down things, writing down important points. So I think in the first year I was very जब हमारा तो ऑफलाइन था पढ़ना पड़ता था, so I used to write down things a lot. I used to make notes, and that has helped me out really well.
Please like guide करो कि how do you manage your relationship as well as your career thing, your academics and everything, like वो भी इतने perfectly सब कुछ कैसे हो रहा है, and what do you have suggestions कि अपने juniors के लिए कि like is it okay, ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि वो distract कर दे आपको या कुछ हो ऐसा?
It's an interesting question, I must say. So it actually depends on person to person how well you should manage everything. So I'm a person who does not want to miss out on anything. So basically, what I feel is it's all about effort and your willingness to manage, extracurricular and your relationship along with internship preparation and college studies. So I have enjoyed my college life to the fullest. I didn't miss out on any fest. Okay, I went to trips to IT Bombay and IT Kanpur, and I never missed out on a good series or a movie. Participated in societies that I like. Along with that, I dedicated my time to some of the societies, and eventually I was rewarded for the same in form of a POR. So what I feel is that societies are a major part of college. They help you make new friends. They let you meet different kind of people around you. They help you in developing your personality, and let it helps you gain confidence in life. So for my juniors out there, and certain college tips that I can give you guys, that because I've lived in 1.5 years of my college in college. So I'll say basically, do not miss out on anything, even if it's gonna be Haryanvi songs on EDM night. Okay, do not miss. Get ready, go out with your friends, be part of these events, dunk classes, but okay, do maintain a bare minimum of 75% because there are professors and teachers that will detain you. So, try to get opportunities to go out on an outstation fest like IT Kanpur, IT Bombay, anywhere. Matlab, it would be a, totally a new, different experience for you guys. And also, I say definitely make the most use of the sports facilities of DPU. Okay. Now, certain piece of advice I would like to give you guys is that don't let people around you demotivate you in any form. Okay, and if you feel uncomfortable in any situation, always speak out. And this goes for both girls and boys. College could be a very new environment for you guys, and you will meet every kind of person here. And so I suggest that you choose your friends wisely and always carry yourself confidently.
थैंक यू दी. मेरे को लगता था कि इस चीज से मिस करो तभी ये मिलेगा, बट इट्स लाइक कि सब कुछ ट्राई करो. इफ यू आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड वेल डिसिप्लिन्ड, तो यू वोंट बी मिसिंग एनीथिंग, और सब कुछ अचीव भी होते हैं एक एक करके. ऑल्सो कि यार मतलब हमें नहीं सोचना कि दूसरे क्या सोच रहे हैं, हमें सिर्फ अपना काम करना है. हम भी ये सोचेंगे दूसरे क्या सोच रहे हैं, फिर दूसरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
Never be influenced by them, because there are people out there that will try to pull you down. Okay? Don't let them bully you. Don't let them demotivate you. And in college, especially in places like DTU, there are people there with their point of view and your point of view won't match. So you have to accept theirs as well, and you don't have to change your point of view because of it.
एक लास्ट चीज बता दो कि इंटर्नशिप एंड प्लेसमेंट टिप्स.
So okay. So certain tips that I think I can give you guys is that the first thing that goes without saying is try to keep a good CGPA, and first year is great for getting a good CGPA. So for me 8 above at least is a good CGPA, because you will be able to get shortlisted in every single company that would be shortlisting on the basis of CGPA.
Right.
Second that I feel is that, if you guys are aiming for applying for a tech profile, try to build your resume accordingly, highlight your tech achievements in that. And if you are doing it for non-tech, then try to, highlight your non-tech achievements. Third that I'll say would be, participate in coding contests, hackathons, tech societies, events. So these are also fun. You should participate in these as well. Never think that you won't win. So I should not participate. Give it a try. Do it. I'm sure that you'll enjoy it. Other than that, obviously, you have to practice at least 3-4 questions daily on a platform like, Lead Code, Interview Bit, or Hacker Rank, anything. You must, practice questions. And as I've mentioned earlier, competitive coding, does give you an edge. It does help you out in clearing online tests easily. So, but again, it's not a necessity. If you aren't doing it, do not feel like you won't be getting these companies. I did not. I did get an internship in Amazon. So, these things give you an edge, but they do not pull you down.
So, thank you guys. Here I end the video. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And share तो हर जगह कर दो. जाके अपने WhatsApp groups में जाके spam कर दो. Just spam it everywhere. And also, if you have any doubts or suggestions or queries, just put it down in the comment section below. I'll answer all of them. और भी कुछ भी कहना है, just put it down in the comment section. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.